Hey, Doc Martinez here, and we are in the beginning of July, which means it's time for my June whiskey haul. So, are you ready for this one? Let's go. So this month kind of started off slow, but kind of started picking up and picked up a lot at the end, kind of like a little bit of a snowball effect. So it's not very big, but there's a lot of fun stuff I have on here that I can't wait to share with you guys. So let's just start off with these that are right next to me. I got some stags. Yep. I was lucky in quite a few stags this month. So not all from the same place, not all for MSRP, unfortunately, but I love my stags, so when I can grab extras and I don't have to way overpay for them, I will do that. So stags for this month. Also picked up another Four Roses. Is the Four Roses limited edition. This is 2024. Didn't manage to get that one last year, so I'm glad I have it this year to try. A Russell's pick. My buddy Tom Black helped me get this. Thank you, Tom Black. Appreciate it. So he's a big Russell's fan, so he said he was going to go grab one. I said, grab one for me while you're out there. A Blue Note pick. Yep, I got this Blue Note pick. It is a pick from, so this is a pick from Whiskey Sippers. I like their tater sticker on the back. That is nice. I like that. I actually did pick up 2 of them. Things I don't normally get, but I've been wanting to try. Springbank. Springbank, this is the 12-year cask strength. Somebody actually did a review on this. I can't remember right now who did it. This is what made me actually want to try them. So I managed to grab not just this one, but I also grabbed this one, an 18-year-old. And I also grabbed this one. So this is a local barley, 8 years old. So pretty excited to grab all 3 of those. I'm going to try them. I'm trying to expand my palate. That's a good way to do it. And that sounded really good when they did the review, so it made me want to try them. Next on my list, I did get a Jack 12. So I completed my set. By completing my set, I'm able to do a review or a blind. I'm going to do a 10, 12, and 14 blind and see which ones I think taste better, or in which order, or how you should be hunting them. We'll see. We'll see how that goes. We'll figure that one out. Managed to pick up another Joseph Magnus. This is batch 172. I mean, this is batch 376. 376, sorry. Bottle number 172. Always love my cigar blends, especially when they come from Nancy. Always a good haul, and I got this for, I want to say like 160, 170, which I never see at that price. That's why I grabbed it. This is when you're probably wondering, why the heck did he get a crown? This is a limited edition marquee. It's only in select markets right now. I think they're doing like kind of a test run. Happens to be a select market in San Antonio. So I had somebody pick this up for me, so I appreciate that. And I'm going to try this one. I'm kind of curious. It's really nice. You'll see the bottle when I do that review. Another Jack that I got this one. Yep, this is the Jack 10. I did open this one on a live the other night to share. Jack 10, I forgot how good of a pour it is, and I hopefully just didn't break that one. Wouldn't be fun to break it. Now, this one's interesting. Have a review coming out for this one. It'll probably be out pretty soon. This is called The Answer. And if you're wondering, what is the question? By aging, it's the same distillate aged in 2 different places. As you can see, this one aged in Texas, this one aged in Kentucky, both 5 years. Is one better than the other? Well, I'll let you know pretty soon. And when that comes out, if it comes out before this does, I'll leave a link for it right here. All right. Yep, I got the cigar, the Penelope cigar review coming out on this as well. As you can see, I've shared a lot of it, tasted a lot of it, but you have to find out in the review, is this worth the hunt? Is this worth something the secondary prices is going for? Well, you'll find out very, very soon. If that's out, I'll leave a link for it right here as well. Ooh, I just got back today from Still Awesome, but this is not what I got. This was from last month. I got some new Still Awesome for next month's haul, but this one is the Rare Stock. So this is a Rare Stock number 4. It's a malted blue corn bourbon whiskey. And this is, I believe, they're finished. I think this is finished. I think the difference with this one and the other one is that it is at cask strength instead of proof down. So it's at a 120.7. Have not tapped this one open yet. Just haven't had time. So definitely want to taste that one because I've so far liked all the other ones. Ooh, I love myself a Burr Rye. I've been hunting this one forever. And the funny thing is, my buddy Danny says, he looks up in my Total Wine in my area. He's like, it's in your area, Total Wine. I was like, what? I never even thought about looking at my Total Wine because we never get anything. Sure enough, it was there. Picked up a bottle of that. Is this my open one? No, I got 2 of them. So one I opened. I don't know where that one is. Then I have this one as well. I love myself a Burr Rye. I did pick up this. I'm not a Jefferson's Ocean fan that much. Haven't had enough of their other products to say how much I like it. But Whiskyer actually did a review on this. It says one of the best whiskeys there is out there. He says it could be whiskey of the year. convinced me to want to try it, so grabbed a bottle of this so I can try. Ooh. Also, when at Still Austin last time, did pick up a red corn. I was at Still Austin today expecting to pick up more red corns. Completely sold out. Completely sold out in their area. Completely sold out at the distillery. Hasn't dropped in my area. So I'm hoping they drop some here. I managed to pick up a bottle or two for a backup because I only have one bottle and a backup, and that's it. I want more of these. I love these, so I hopefully can find some more. Managed to pick up a Penelope creme brulee. Yep, I've got it. I think in the last one I had one of these as well. I think I popped that one open already. Picked up a backup. So last second, I managed to find one of these. I do like it. I think it's a good pour. And it's nice and dark, and I know a lot of people that would love to have this bottle, so maybe I'll use it as a trader or something. I don't know if this has the date on it. Oh, there we go. Ooh, and I got this one. My buddy Whiskey Shaman helped me get it. 2019 Garrison Brothers. I love all their cowboy. It's a cowboy, of course. I love all their cowboy editions so far. I might as well start looking at the older ones. So he had one, asked me if I wanted it, and I said, heck yeah. So he helped me get this. Appreciate you, Whiskey Shaman. All right, my two last ones are big items. Not big as in so much cost, but big boxes and packaged real big. So the first one here is this one. Ooh, yeah. This one is a beaut. And the way it opens, look inside that. Yep, Frey Ranch 10th Anniversary Edition. Love the silo, love the boxing, the packaging. I've done a review for this one. So, if you want to see that review, I will leave a link for it right here in case you haven't seen it. Go check that one out. You don't want to miss that. And last but not least, I got this bad boy. Bam! Now you can't see me. Well, I've heard good things about this company in general, the Peg Leg Porker. This one was a 15-year that was offered to me. I got it at a really good price, and because of that, I said, yeah, sure, let me try it. I just got it in. I have not done a review. I will be doing a review on that one because I'm pretty excited. This is my bottle haul. What do you think? There's a lot of things up here. I can't wait to try and share with you guys as well. Let me know, is there something on here that you want me to try? You want me to share with you? You want me to do a review on? I already have a few of these reviewed. As you saw, I haven't popped open. The reviews for those will be coming out soon. Thank you guys. Thank you guys for joining me on another journey down my whiskey rabbit hole. To our next journey, my friends. Cheers.